guys, Vinny Tube, and today we'll be reacting to SMG4. Mario goes to Subway and purchase one tuna sub with extra mayo. Okay, I'm not sure what to expect for this title. So yeah, this is a new SMG4. It finally came out. I've been waiting for a new SMG4 to come out. Yeah. So I hope you like this video. The video be linked in the description. Make sure to subscribe to SMG4 if you did already. And without further ado, let's do it. Subway.
Ooh, yummy! Hello! Eto, tutto lavato, l'abito!
With extra mayo.
Boss!
The fuck?
Ew!
Open!
Hey, come back here! I'm hungry!
Why?
It's time to witness perfection.
Why?
Clarence, be strong for mother.
This got dark. Oh my goodness. This got dark.
Ooh.
Well, about time for me to be hitting the old dusty trail.
This guy knows too much.
Get over here!
Mamma mia!
What are you?
An idiot sandwich.
What are you doing? What's going on here?
Subway, eat fresh.
Really?
I don't get it.
You've seen too much.
Send them away! Send them all away! Lock them up forever! Oh, hell no!
Oh boy, look at that!
Sandwich!
Yeah, I said no mayo.
Oh no. Well, Mario got mad.
I'm coming for you!
I'll have two number 9s. A number 9 large, a number 6 with extra dip, a number 7, two number 45s,
I'm doing
one
video.
with cheese, and a large soda.
Here we go!
I'm saved!
Here we go!
Bro, your music in here is dope.
Here's your to-go order, sir.
One roast beef sub, please.
This is gonna be good!
Whoa! Hey, Stinky!
They're eating your sandwich.
Tango!
Why?
The duck goes.
Oh my god!
Uh-oh.
The waifu goes.
Waifus.
You're too slow!
Uh-oh.
Well, about time for me to be hitting the old dusty trail.
Get the down there!
Yippee! Eto, tutto lavato, l'abito!
What the?
Let's see if we can find another way out.
Oh no!
Uh-oh.
Tango!
Where's my burrito? Where's my burrito?
Really?
Where's my burrito? Where's my burrito?
Come here, fishy, fishy! Here, fishy, fishy!
Uh-oh.
Oh, this monster is from DND. I can use this book too.
Wow.
Aww. Sorry. Hmm. Ooh.
Why? Rip.
You're such a good player.
MAYO!
It's beautiful.
Eh.
I am the Bart. I am the...
You've activated my trap card.
Why?
Coming for that ant, boy.
What is I don't know what is going on in this. Ow. Ow.
Ooh.
Oh my god, that face is terrifying. My god.
It's time for my counterattack.
No, you.
The Uno card.
Breeze win, breeze out.
Yummy. Oh, you're so good. Excellent selection. What? Oh, you got to be
Uh-oh.
with me.
I have now grabbed my pants.
Subway headquarters.
Okie dokie.
Gee, it sure is boring around here. Let's see if we can go even faster, faster, faster,
Be free!
Is that Cuphead? Baldy?
Have you tried turning it off and on again?
Let's see if we can go even faster, faster, faster.
What? Oh, that's so cool. Aw. Aw. Poor Tari.
What the hell is wrong with you?
What is going on in this video? Oh my god, so much Paper Marios. What is going on?
It was him. Let's get him, Philly.
Wow.
Oh.
Beep, 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 beep.
Hello, it's me,
Oh, it's Bookin's dad. Bookin's dad.
I don't even know who you are.
Oh no, I, they see me enough hentai tsuno where this is going. Wait for me.
Let's go right now. Bring it on.
What? Uh-oh. Uh-oh, Cuphead heard it. Rip.
Hello there.
Hey, whatever your name is, stupid bitch.
Try me, bitch.
Oh.
La 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 la. Mamma mia! Oh hey guys, I didn't expect to see you here.
Pipkins? What the?
Well, I need more money, so my dad offered me a job as a HR director of his company. Dad, I'm busy at work, Dad. No, Dad!
Oh, no.
You can't hurt them! They're my friends! Please let them go! Please, Dad!
Fine.
Bye!
Get the f out of here.
You got rid of that old yee ass haircut you got. You get some.
Oh!
Ooh.
Here we go!
No, 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 no.
A delicious kilo sandwich.
Finally, my sandwich is full.
Oh, jeez.
Wow. What a waste of a good sandwich. Wow. That was funny. Anyway guys, hope you liked this video. This was really funny. Oh my god. I love it. So, anyway guys, like the video, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, follow me on Instagram and TikTok, also follow me on Twitch, and I'll see you guys later. See ya, or next time. See ya.
Yo!